In this video, I will show you how to fit the RCH on a Volkswagen Amarok. Note, the following instructions can also be used for RCL. Insert the M6 hardware as shown. Finger tighten only at this stage. Slide the assembled legs into the crossbars as shown. Insert the Vortex rubber, cut to length if required. Fix the crossbars to the vehicle-specific base kit. Ensure the crossbars have an equal overhang. Tighten the M6 hardware to the leg. You can place the Allen key inside the leg if you wish to. Insert the underbar strips into the slots either side of the installed leg. Cut to length if required. Tighten the M6 leg hardware. Lock the leg cover plate with the key provided. RC legs come complete with a unique standard key. The Master Fit key is shown here. Insert the crossbar end caps and lock into place. Be sure all fixtures are secure before use.